Hi everyone! Good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to promote affiliate links with ChatGPT and make money. First things first, what you want to do is to open up your browser of choice. Then, what you want to do next is to press your search bar and type in chat.openai.com or just simply search ChatGPT on Google. As you can see, my account is already signed in on ChatGPT. So, just kindly sign in to your existing account before proceeding. However, if you do not have a ChatGPT account yet, what you want to do is to sign up or log in an existing account of yours, like for example, Gmail. Once here, you can already start chatting with the AI. But first, we must look for an affiliate website. And for your information, there are several websites that you can find affiliates from. So, what we want to do now is to open up a new tab in our browser. And then, we will proceed by using Dr. Cash. Why Dr. Cash, you ask? Because Dr. Cash is a platform that connects manufacturers and digital marketers in the human beauty and health industry through affiliate marketing. And Dr. Cash was founded in 2016. Anyways, after that short information, what we want to do now is to open up Dr. Cash. And then, once you are here, you will be greeted by the main page of Dr. Cash. So in here, you can see their affiliates, and that is where you can connect with other manufacturers that can be affiliated with you. And then, there are the advertisers. In here is where you can have all the advertisement options and things that regards to the advertising of your products. Next are offers. In here, you will see all the listed offers for the product that you can even categorize for more specification. So now, what you want to do for you to proceed is to log in into your account by pressing the login button. However, if you do not have an account yet, do not worry because you can just sign in to make a Dr. Cash account. Once you have inserted your account or your existing account, let us now proceed to the next step. What will happen next is you will be directed into the affiliates dashboard. In here, you can see the main dashboard in which you can see a little of everything. And then, in the left side interface, you will see here your leads, campaigns, statistics, instruments, offers, and lastly, finance. But what you want to do next is directly head into offers. In offers, you can see a huge list of all the offers available for you to become affiliated with your chosen brand. In here, you can see a text box where you can search up for a specific affiliate that you have in mind. And in the text box beside it there is a categorizer for all of the other offers. And then there's categories. In here is where you can select a specific genre of products. And you can also input or specify if you only want to look for the offers that are available in a specific country or your own country. And then there is payout. In here is where you can classify the rate of the payouts. You can even press the up and down arrows to select if you want a higher or a lower payout. Lastly, there's ranks in which you can see how high the offer is ranked up. So, now what we are going to do is to categorize this list by the highest payout. To do that, what we only have to do is to press this little arrow here. Okay, now you can see that it is already categorized into who pays the highest. And now that's done, what you want to do is select a product of choice. Let us say that I have selected this item, which is a diet pill. So, as you can see, pressing the offer will bring you to the products page. In here, you will be able to see all of the information about the product. But what you only have to do here is to press the send request button. And then a pop-up will appear. Just fill up the pop-up and proceed. Now that we are done, we are now going to head back to ChatGPT. So, what we are going to do here is to ask the bot to do something for us. In here, I will type, "Can you write an article on how to lose weight effectively?" And in the last portion, mention how diet pills are the best option for people who can't seem to lose weight. After you type in your request, just wait for the bot to generate your message until you are done. And that's it! You can now promote affiliate links with ChatGPT and make money. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!